the quest for the Nossa Senhora do Cabo, uncovering pirate treasures. Imagine diving into the murky depths to uncover a treasure that has eluded the world for centuries. That's exactly what a group of dedicated archaeologists from Cape Cod is doing, as they delve into the waters of Ile Sainte-Marie, a tiny island near Madagascar, in search of the legendary Nossa Senhora de Cabo, a pirate ship laden with unimaginable riches. This team, hailing from the Center for Historic Shipwreck Preservation, has a track record of success. They are the same experts who, in 1984, discovered the pirate ship Whydah Galley off the coast of Wellfleet, Massachusetts. Now, they believe they have found another gem. Despite facing interruptions due to political unrest and the global pandemic, they have gathered compelling evidence that points to the identity of this mysterious wreck. We relied on a combination of 17th and 18th century primary records and accounts, depositions, archival maps, and pirate trial records, explains Brandon Clifford, co-leading archaeologist alongside Mark Agostini. These historical documents helped the team pinpoint their efforts to Ile Madame, a small island at the mouth of the bay, known historically as a bustling pirate hub. Using advanced technology, including geophysical surveys, side-scan sonar, and sub-bottom profiling, the team conducted extensive dive operations to locate the wreck clusters. While the site remains officially unconfirmed, their detailed study has garnered significant attention in archaeological and maritime history circles, as well as among pirate lore enthusiasts. A heist of epic proportions, the Nossa Senhora do Cabo was a heavily armed Portuguese royal trade ship traveling the India route. It was captured by the notorious French pirate Olivier Levasseur, known as La Buse or the Buzzard, and English royal seaman turned pirate John Taylor on April 20, 1721, while docked at Reunion for storm repairs. According to the team's research, the ship was carrying an astounding cargo: gold and silver bars, coins, silks, religious artifacts, and a vast collection of precious stones, including 110 diamonds, 250 emeralds, 20 rubies, and 20 sapphires. This heist, one of the largest in pirate history, also involved freeing about 200 people who were bound for slavery. It was one of the biggest heists in pirate history, Clifford emphasized. After capturing the ship, the pirates towed it back to Sainte-Marie, where they divided the loot among the crew, ransomed the Portuguese royal viceroy of Goa, and likely released the captives. Uncovering clues in the artifacts. To date, the team has catalogued over 3,300 artifacts from the wreck, including Qing-de-Zhen porcelain cups and plates, Mughal period glazed pottery, cowrie shells used in trade, a few gold coins, and even nutmeg. The discovery of a distinctive assemblage of Catholic Portuguese Goan artifacts, such as devotional ivory, a Madonna figure, an ivory Christ statue, and a plaque inscribed with INRI, Isis Nazarenus Rex Judaeorum, provided crucial clues. These are items rarely found on pirate ships, Clifford noted, adding that the mix of sacred and commercial artifacts aligns closely with historical accounts of the Cabo's cargo. Another significant find was a pottery shard bearing the crest of the ship's important passenger, the Viceroy. While other theories exist about the fate of the Cabo, the size of the wreck and construction features consistent with Portuguese East Indiamen strongly support the team's identification. Ongoing work and future discoveries. Fieldwork at the Cabo site is currently on hold, but the team is busy conserving and analyzing artifacts and helping upgrade a museum on Sainte-Marie to safely house and preserve these treasures. The Cape Cod and Sainte-Marie wrecks share a fascinating link. Their captains, Samuel Black Sam Bellamy and La Buse, sailed together in 1716 as part of the notorious Caribbean pirate flotilla, the Flying Gang. Unlike the Whydah, which was identified by a bell inscribed with the ship's name, no definitive artifact has yet confirmed the Cabo's identity. Nevertheless, the team's work continues to shed light on the rich history of piracy during the 17th and 18th centuries. The archaeologists also plan to explore other wrecks in Sainte-Marie, such as the Adventure Galley, captained by William Kidd, and the Fiery Dragon, associated with William Fly and Christopher Billy One-Hand Condent. Archaeologists have really only begun to scratch the surface of what lies beneath the waters of Sainte-Marie's harbour, said Agostini. Future fieldwork may lead to more analysis of the many wrecks there, potentially yielding clues that result in more definitive identification of vessels tied to legendary pirate captains of the golden age of piracy. For the team, the work is a blend of meticulous research and thrilling discovery. It may look like a romantic adventure, Clifford reflected, but the reality is years of careful, methodical work. Yet it remains incredibly exciting and rewarding to uncover history and be part of telling its story.